Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A33 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the general management. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on date and time. It should be on the third position, and as you can see, right now we are using automatic date, time and time zone. They are nowhere provided, so we cannot actually change it manually. So first of all, we have to turn off both of those options, and as you can see here, we've got the date, time and time zone, so we can freely tap on it. And here from this calendar we can pick the date we want to use. For example, this one. Let's tap on done. The same situation with that time. Here by swiping we can pick the time we want to use. So for example, this one. Tap on done again, and as you can see, it has been immediately set also on the status bar. We can pick that time zone. Let's tap on the region, and as you can see, here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to simply find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So I will pick, for example, this one. Just tap on it, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you can also customize the time format, the clock format. So right now we've got 24-hour one. If you want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the switcher to turn off this option, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. So basically this is it. This is how to manually set date and time, and of course you can get back to all previous settings. Just tap on those switchers to again use nowhere provided date and time zone. So actually this is it. This is how to change the date and time in your Samsung Galaxy A33. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.